Hey guys, today my subject is a little bit heavier than usual. Today it's not a makeup tutorial and not a product review, but today I am going to talk about a skincare routine that you can do before you go for a travel. So I will show products and I will give some tips what will make you feel more refreshed and more confident throughout your way. First, I will tell you what kind of body and hair care should you do before your big road, and after that I will talk about the skincare. So first of all, what should you do with your hair? Well, because you don't want to feel uncomfortable, I would not recommend you to do any buns. If you do ponytail, like high ponytail, it can feel uncomfortable and you can have a headache after 4 or 5 hours already. And if you want to sleep on the plane or on the train, it can feel uncomfortable. So when I travel, for example, back to Europe and come to Korea, I always just do a ponytail down because it can look pretty and it's really comfortable as well. Also, what is really important to take with you is a toothbrush and toothpaste, because after you eat you really want to refresh yourself, so this one is a must-have. If you don't take, you will feel really uncomfortable, I think. And also I always use deodorant and perfume because I will feel more confident with these products and these are really useful. Asians don't really use this kind of product, but trust me, Europeans need this. And about your nails, if you do long nails and it breaks on halfway, it will feel hurtful and you cannot really do anything with it. So when I have a big trip, I always cut my nails really short and just do some manicure with those short nails. It will feel more safe and more comfortable as well. There are two more things left that is really important, I think, about the body and hair care. Well, I always take a hand sanitizer with me because the planes can be really dirty and I want to feel safe. So I always take some gel with me that can clean my hands, and also wet tissue. If you have some accident or you ate something, those kind of tissues are also really useful. And the last thing is the hand cream, because if you have some dry feeling, you can apply it on anywhere. Mostly my hands can feel really dry, so I like to apply them on. If you go somewhere by plane, you cannot bring more than 100 ml with you, but hand creams are really small. They're just 20 or 30 ml, so it's okay. But now let's go to the main part about the skincare. This is the main reason of this whole video. So first of all, as I have mentioned before, you want to feel refreshed, but also you want to feel hydrated. If you go somewhere for a long trip, you can feel dry, so moisturizing is the most important part of your skincare routine. Step by step, I will show what kind of skincare routine I do before and what kind of skincare products I take with me for a long way. So first of all, after you cleanse your skin, you definitely need to use a toner, so it will balance your skin, it will balance your pH level. This is the toner. It's kind of a recommendation. I just use this toner nowadays. So this is the first product I apply on. It will give a base for your skin. The second one is the serum. This is my favorite, the Botanity serum. I use this quite a lot of times. It will nourish your skin, and these two products are good because these are antibacterial and also they have like an anti-dust effect. If you go far away with a train or with a plane, the air is not just dry, but the air can be dirty, so it will protect your skin for quite a while. And the next one, there are plenty of products here. The next one is the cream. This is a Panthenol Soothing Gel Cream. I already have a review about this product. Nowadays I really like using it. It's good for oily skin, it's good for dry skin. So this is the last step of the skincare. And after this I have some base product. The next one is a tone correcting. Now I would like to stop. I would like to mention that I'm not going to show that much makeup product because I think if you go for a long trip, you don't want to take care of your foundation. If you apply on a foundation, it can irritate your skin, it can cause breakouts if you leave the foundation on your skin for like 10 hours. So I do not recommend that one. First time when I had a long trip from Europe to Japan, that one was my first really long trip. It took like, I don't know, 20 hours altogether. The time I wanted to be pretty, I wanted to look good, so I put in my contact lens and I did Balm and I did a full makeup, and after a few hours I regret all my decisions. I realized that I should have a comfortable hairstyle, that Balm was awful. I took out my contact lens after a few hours because it was breaking my eyes, and my foundation just looked awful. My skin was breaking out and it was so oily and dry at the same time, so after that I never used makeup when I went somewhere with a plane. So these products that I'm going to show will mostly moisturize your skin and correct your skin tone. If you have some redness, you can correct it. It will not cause any problem. Just don't use foundation. So the next product is a mineral makeup base from Innisfree. Currently I use this one. I didn't have dark circles this time, so I only had redness around my nose and on my chin, so I applied this on only on those areas. It's quite a good product, but actually this kind of color correcting makeup bases are usually good. I never really have problem with these products and I use just really small amount, so it's fine. After this makeup base I used tone correcting cream. This is kind of the main part of this whole process because I don't want to use foundation. This time I used Snow White Milky Lotion from Secret Key. This is for face and for body as well. I like to use this product, but this product is not good for everyone for the face, but it's really good for the body usage. So I applied on this product with the help of a simple sponge, and after I spread it around my skin looked much better, looked more bright. About these tone-up creams, I would mention that in Korea tone-up creams are usually really good. They have a good quality because in Korea tone-up creams are kind of essential to use. If somebody doesn't like to use makeup, those people definitely use tone correcting products, for example tone-up cream or sun creams. Sun cream is also a really good idea. You can purchase sun creams that has tone-up effects and they protect you from the UVA and UVB rays. Anyways, the next product that I used also with this little sponge is this Glow Balm. I really like this product. Actually, this product didn't cause any irritation for me, and it's good for oily skin also, but of course it's better for dry skin. It didn't cause any excess sebum production for me. I'm oily around the nose and on my chin, but this product didn't cause any extra oiliness, so I like to use this product, and even it provides a really nice glow, and you can apply it under the foundation and on the top of the foundation as well if you spread it a little bit. So I applied on this product for the next time. You just need to apply on a small amount onto your hand and use a sponge to apply on this cream onto the bones, so for example your nose, your cheekbones and your chin and the forehead, and it will create a beautiful dewy skin. The next product I used is a concealer because I have some problem on my skin, not that much now, but I don't feel good if they are detectable on my skin, so I used this concealer under my eyes and on the problems just a little bit and just smooth it out to make it as natural as possible. And from this time I have other makeup products, but not that much. I always like to fix my eyebrows, so this is an eyebrow tint. Even if I don't do makeup, I like to define my eyebrows, so I use this product. It's quite long lasting. And also just a small amount of mascara. If you travel, you don't want to create big smoky eyes. Mascara is more than enough, and I recommend to use waterproof mascara. This one is extra waterproof and really lightweight, so when I apply it on, it will stay on my eyelashes for 2 or 3 days if I don't wash them off, and they will not smudge on my eyes. So this is a quite nice product. And I used a lip essence. This lip essence is just beautiful. This is from the brand The History of WHOO. This one was actually not red. I injected some red lip tint into this lip gloss, so the color changed, because I really like to use this product, but I missed the color. It was just transparent with gold shimmer in it. It was beautiful, but after I injected some red tint into this, I love to use it even more. It's really moisturizing, it's not sticky at all, and you can apply it on whenever you want. So if you are on a plane or a train, every 2 hours, every hours, you can apply it on, because it will moisturize, it will give a really good feeling. And this is all the makeup products I used to feel more confident and more pretty. And kind of the last step, finally, because there were so far maybe 13 steps, the next step is the makeup fixation. You didn't really use makeup, but this will fix everything, so it will all stay on your skin. It's just a protection. And if you go to the trip and you want to put something into your bag, I would recommend you to put the lip tint or lip gloss. I think you shouldn't use lipstick because it will just dry your skin, so just use lip balm or lip tint or lip gloss. These are better ideas, better to choose. And also a spray. These are also really useful because these will moisturize your skin really well. Now I don't wear makeup, I only used these skincare products and the eyebrow and the lip gloss and a little bit of concealer. So what I showed before, I used those steps, and all day long I was wearing it. I didn't need to touch up anything because I didn't really use any makeup. So it was my skincare tutorial in case you want to go for a long trip, if you want to travel with a plane or train or with bus or car or anywhere, if you want a natural looking skin that is still beautiful and dewy, I would recommend this. Thank you for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye bye.